To make the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra automatically rotate, you have to enable auto rotate feature for the lock screen. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Long tap auto rotate button and then tap the gray on off switch next to lock screen until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap done button. To see the result, go to your lock screen. Hold your phone in landscape view like this. And then hold it in portrait view like this. As you can see, your lock screen will automatically rotate based on how you hold your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.